Right, so I'm doing video. I've got 2 videos on at the moment, so I want to use the head mount to basically just check your recording. Yeah. Basically, I'm going to pack the chair like I usually do. I did bring 2 bags with me today, so I'll set it up. It's a bit flat here, isn't it? Probably there. Put my thermos down there so the bag doesn't blow away. It's the first time I've actually used 2 cameras at the same time, so right. Do love this Trekology chair. Do fancy a coffee as well, so it's a lovely view, as you can see. Usual. I need to find somewhere a bit flat, so I'm not going to fall backwards. So this looks a bit flat here, so there we go. I'm going to put the mat at the bottom, which is this one. Do recommend this Trekology chair actually, but do get the mat on the bottom. It's worth the money. I know it's an extra £20 I think it is, but for comfort, it's a great chair. It's faced towards the camera. There you go. Camera's facing that way. So I'm sort of going to clip both of these together, and then, because I think MCQ Bushcraft said just clap your hands and that sort of syncs up the audio, so that way you're not trying to figure out what to do. So better double check that you're recording. Let's have a look. I did charge it up before I left last night. Sorry, when I got in last night. So you still recording? Let's look at the time. Can't really see the time. Let's have a look. Oh shit. Yeah, it's recording. Yeah. I said I'd do this type of video to one of the followers on my channel. Got Lister, I think his name is. There we go. And now I need to put that bag somewhere. I'll show you in a minute. I'll do it now. I tend to put bastard this underneath, so that way it doesn't get lost, and 2, it doesn't get dirty. Some people do it on the front, but there's too much of a bend in there. I don't want to muck them up. So let's do that again. There we go. You still recording? Let's have a look. Yeah. There we go. Let's put the mat on the bottom. This stops it from sinking in the ground. It's a bit soft on the bottom. There we go. Let's have a look at the scenery. Who knows? I prefer to go over there, but it's not very flat. Well, let's turn the chair around. A bit more scenic there, isn't it? Right, let's set the tripod up. While I'm here, get the brew kit out, which I'll put here. And then tripod. Lovely view, mate. That's what happens when I go to hikes. I don't know what to expect, so there we go. There we go, mate. This is the first time I've ever done this type of video, so I'm going to be clipping these together. This is all about practicing before we get out in the field. So Ash Outdoors is the one who influenced this. That should be there really, like that. Turn that around. Sort of envision it. And that's the setup basically, guys. So yeah, that's the setup. So obviously I'm gonna have my coffee. This is like a way of having wireless microphone. So I'm gonna have my coffee and then have a vlog. So I'll catch you later, guys. Bye bye.